Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Messenger. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger group chat. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. If you cannot create a group or send messages on your group chat, check your internet connection. Try using cellular data instead of Wi-Fi. If this does not solve your problem, then open the Playstore and check for updates on Messenger. If there is an update, tap Update. If the update doesn't work either, tap and hold the Messenger icon and tap App Info. Here, tap Force Stop and OK. Now tap Storage and tap Clear Cache and Clear Data. Tap OK on the pop-up menu. Now go back to Messenger and see if your problem has been solved. And that's how you fix Messenger group chat. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.